Hello guys, today we shall be looking at MOSFET replacement, getting the right MOSFET. There are two types of MOSFET, the P-channel MOSFET and the N-channel MOSFET. How do you identify each of the MOSFETs when replacing them in a circuit? Looking at the P-channel, each part number always ends with odd number. Take for instance A01247. 7 is an odd number. A02145. 5 is an odd number. So any MOSFET that ends with an odd number can be used to replace the P-channel MOSFET. Coming to an N-channel MOSFET, each part number always ends with even number. Therefore, any MOSFET that ends with an even number can be used to replace a damaged N-channel MOSFET. Watch out for the next part.